if you get a same campus, you will have to pay again. Spot round actually is a very risky game. और इसको पूरा explanation देखने के लिए आपको पूरा video देखना पड़ेगा. Hello students, congratulations to all of you who got seats till now, and if you didn't get till now, you will get soon, maybe in the spot round, so don't get tensed or disappointed. Just keep the mistakes in mind and don't do that in your while participating in the spot round. And in this video, I'll be sharing everything about the spot round and the documents needed, the mistakes not to be done, and the tips and all. So please stay tuned and welcome करना मैं भूल गई थी. So hi, this is Supriya and welcome to Supriya की Design Dunya. And here I share lot of design related contents and I have started sharing. And this is my Instagram page. Please do follow. I've started posting there also my hobbies, and I'll be soon sharing my life and also about design and graphics and all. Maybe I can't share everything now. So please do and explore my page once. If you like, do subscribe and do follow on Instagram. So starting with the video, what is spot round actually? It's a very fresh game in which you have to forget your old seat and have to start again. Do you have to pay the fee again and everything? I'll explain everything in a while. So then who can apply is a person who got a seat but wants to upgrade the seat, but at their risk. The people who cleared the cutoff but didn't get a seat till round 3. Also the people who were absent in the previous rounds, the people who didn't pay the fees or paid the fees, all of them, they can sit here. Just they must have cleared the cutoff plus their documents were verified, because now there is no chance to verify the documents now. The second thing is, if you were disqualified in the round, or if you were not eligible in matter of age or matter of documents, you can't also apply for this round for registration and payment. The people who didn't register earlier, or they registered but they didn't pay the admission fees even after getting a seat, like mainly to say the new participants, they will get a registration option in which they have to pay 5,000. It is not the admission fees, it's just the registration fees that you have to pay. It's very different from admission fees. Admission fees is only submitted when you get a seat. People who don't have to pay is who already paid their the registration fees and their admission fees, but they just want to or stay in a game to just get a better campus. They don't need to. They'll not get that option maybe. And then comes to the or also the people who didn't withdraw. Those people don't have to pay 5,000. They are just staying in the game. They have already paid everything, so they don't have to do that. Now comes to the document verification part. It upload your photo of your 10th and 12th mark sheet, scorecard, category certificates, ID proofs, etc. Keep your documents or the category certificate very nicely and updated, because with the help of those category certificates and all, you may get a campus maybe. So keep them. Also, you must verify everything to the portal, and I think it will be closed. It's written that it will close up on August 5th, 6 p.m. And before that, you can also fill the choices. And you can make your new preference list according to your rank and according to the vacancy list. Basically, it is the many people withdraw their seats or they don't want the seats, so the seats are vacant. So this is basically the spot round. And then choice filling and choice locking. When it comes to the choice filling part, is you will get a news list for the spot round that are available for the spot round list, and then you have to choose from them, I think. When it comes to the part of reporting the campus, you will have to report the campus by 8th of August, I think. Also, some people have doubt that will you miss the orientation. Yes, you will miss the orientation and some starting days of classes. So if you get a campus that you can go, you should go with it, because you will have to pay double the fees, and also you will miss the orientation days and all. So it's fine, you can go for the that you got in round 3. Now comes to the tips and the reminders. Be on time. Also keep your documents updated. Also strategic preference order, in which keep the campuses that you think that you will get, so that the probability is high. Also that 5,000 is not refundable, and follow the NIFT official site for updates. If you get a same campus, you will have to pay again. It's not like that, you will not have to pay again. If you don't get a new seat in spot round, you are still eligible for the previous seat that you got in the spot round or third round. So be chilled about that. It's just that if you don't get a better campus, you'll miss the orientation and everything. So this is all about the NIFT spot round, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope that this will help you, and take the risk if you want to. Otherwise, go to the college that you got and keep me subscribed. Till then, meet you very soon. Thank you.